Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuche Oziri. Today, we don start series wey concern employer and employee. And today, we go talk about the duties wey your employer owe you. One of the duties wey your employer owe you na to provide work. Na the duty of your employer to provide work, the work wey you go do. Another duty wey your employer owe you na duty to pay wages, to pay your salary. Na the duty of your employer to pay you when you don work. Even Bible talk am say a labourer, person wey don work, deserve im wages. Another duty wey your employer owe you na duty to keep at ten dance. You know say some place of work, when you go work, dem go say make you write when you come work and when you close work. Na duty of your employer, e no dey out of place. Another duty wey your employer owe you na duty to give good record about you, whether na good record or bad record. You go dey call am testimonial, or this one wey dem dey call reference letter. Na the duty of your employer to give you, so long as say you dey work there. Whether you wan leave the person work go dey work for another place, e no concern am. Na the duty of your employer to give testimonial or give you reference letter. Another duty wey your employer get na duty to conduct medical examinations. Una know say this for private establishment, private companies, all these big companies, as dem employ you, dem go tell you say make you go do medicals. Na the duty of your employer. Even government, but wetin government dey do be say government no dey take am as their duty. Dem go say make you go pay money so that dem go do medicals for you. No suppose be. Na you dey employ me, na you suppose conduct that medical examination on me to know whether I dey fit and proper medically to do that work wey you dey give me. E good because e go help your employer to know where to put you. And I know say e get people wey no go fit dey for radiology room because of their health. E get people wey no go fit dey where code dey. Na the duty of your employer to carry out that examination. Na still the duty of your employer to give you written agreement. Some of una where una dey work now, una no get employment letter, nothing. When problem come out, you go run go meet lawyer. For employer and employee relationship, you go run go meet lawyer. For employment relationship, the first thing wey you must prove be say e be worker for there. How you go take prove say you be worker for there when you no get employment letter and you no even get other things? You no go fit prove am now. So na the duty of your employer to give you employment letter. Collect am from your employer. Another duty wey your employer owe you na duty to take care of you. Na the duty of your employer to take care of you. Now you don know. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch dey share, no dey keep am to yourself. Thank you.